To be honest with you, I'm feeling like shit.
Just left the Hoxton.
Thanks for sharing as well. Thank you.
So we're going into the Pokemon Mega Evolution experience, and you get some free cards. So I think I'm just gonna do it. One mistake.
There's stamps on each station.
Yeah.
Make sure you fill out the green section first.
Okay.
Some of the stamps are the same.
Okay.
So on the other side.
Oh, okay, I see it now. Speed run. We're just swapping. Oh no. Okay, I got it the right way up. Well, I don't know which one to go to.
No, either one.
Oh.
Same thing. Redeem yourself an A3 poster here. Got one of these which has a code to redeem on the Pocket app.
Yeah.
And then you've also got a fun pack.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
no worries.
And I keep this as well. Okay, thank you. Oh, sorry. Please be a Lucario. Please be a Lucario. That would be so sick. But I got an A3 poster. I've got the activity. Got a pack. Got a pack for the game. I need to download it again. Got a pack in real life too. So now we're just waiting for my sister because she's probably gonna give me the pack. So right now we're getting some lunch at the Hoxton. It's very nice. Yeah. We're I wanted to go shopping, but Jared's dragged me here to do work. Well, we're at the Hoxton. It's pretty nice. It's alright. Nice? You call this nice? Are you poor? It's not what I did. I can't. It's so good, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. I didn't expect the food to be this good, I can't lie. But pork belly, you know, so tasteful. Sesame sauce, spring rolls, actually really good. Hoxton, I'm probably gonna come back to work here. But yeah. Just left the Hoxton. Going back to Westfield now, so this guy can do some shopping. Slash his reels. Slash no shopping, just reels. Slash trying everything on and not buying anything. Trying 8 outfits and then telling the woman, nah, I'm giving it back. So, kinda obvious, but it's okay. No one will judge, I think, except me. Carrying around now, so souvenir. How'd you rate it? Pretty good actually. It's pretty good. Not as good as Jasmine tea though. Facts. Love Jasmine. Still shaky. Update, Peter, update. Update.
We teleported to Oxford Street.
Just
Now
like
we are
that.
trying to find a cos that is open. The other one was closed.
It's closed.
We spent about half an hour walking around in circles because we couldn't find it. And now, yeah,
We've time skipped training arc.
so we're gonna speed run cause, get some matcha, and then meet up with Nadia for dinner. Or some brunch. Or brunch? I mean, fuck man.
You mean lunch?
I mean lunch.
Bro, it's nearly 6.
It's like, what's in between lunch and dinner?
Tea.
Tea. Tea.
That's crazy.
Fuck. Brunch.
Actually, I might let Peter try this bubble tea place that's really good. It's Chinese owned, so obviously it's gonna be good. But it's kind of like, I don't know if I'd say it's a competitor of Haiti, but kinda, I guess.
What's it called?
Molly tea.
Oh, man, had it before.
He hasn't.
I haven't.
Nice camera.
Thank you. Thank you.
What's the review?
It's pretty good. I don't know if the matcha is meant to be at the top. I tried to mix it, it didn't go down.
Yeah.
It won't go down.
Out of 10, would you rate it?
Out of 10, probably at 9, actually.
Nice.
It's pretty good, actually. Yo, what's good? Just got my Molly tea. And now gonna head to my station to go home. It's pretty early, it's like 6:30, I think, 7, but save money. Well, save money even though I got Molly tea. But we'll see. It's quite nice, my first time getting it. We'll see what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night. Probably play some games, so catch you later.
Hey everyone, so back home now, and it's raining, it's cold, it's wet, it's everything that you can think of why everyone hates the UK weather. And to be honest with you, I'm feeling like shit, so if the vlog is not great, that's probably why. I think I'm just overwhelmed with everything. Low-key, don't know what I'm doing or what I want to do, but pushing, we're moving, and I think I just need to just rest and not do anything, not think about anything, because I'm going back to being overwhelmed about stuff. So yeah, maybe I'll keep vlogging, but to be honest, I just don't want to put out shit stuff. So maybe in this vlog, I'm not gonna care about what I put out or the outcome of this, just to keep it a little bit real. And yeah, it's probably the weather. It's always the weather, but weather's so shit. Yeah, I don't really know what to say, so maybe I'll catch you tomorrow. I'm gonna have like a quiet day, you know, where I don't need to speak, I don't need to think, I don't need to communicate with anyone, except my girlfriend. But probably just a day where I can rot, fix up a bit, nap all day, watch anime, do nothing, and we'll see.
What's good, gang? Good morning. And before I start, I should probably say that I don't have my tripod with me, but I'm basically just about to grab coffee, just because I can't start my day off without coffee, and I'm not the same person without coffee. So let's get coffee. it is sunny as hell, and we're gonna try out the noise cancelling feature of the mic when there is noise. So hopefully, oh, golden hour at like whatever time it is right now. So I'm gonna double press it, and the noise cancelling should be done. So I don't know if you can still hear it, but we'll see when we're editing it. But yeah, getting my coffee. Let's go.
Let's try that one first and to
Okay, we'll see.
There's no people. Oh yes, there's a. Can I have a table for 3 people? Yeah. We don't have reservations. Sure.
But actually, I can have soup. Yes. Or we can share the soup and then.
Oh, you're gonna get this.
Yeah, because I'm getting kimchi jjigae instead. Yeah, but I was thinking between the two.
Are we good photos? I can airdrop it to you. Post for sharing. Thank you. Wow, it smells so nice. I'm so hungry. That doesn't look right. Let me take a photo first, then I will yeah, because he made me watch the bit.
If you get another